Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Samsung recently announced that the Galaxy Note 20 flagship, the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, came without TOF sensor, and a recent report coming out of the South Korea claims that the Galaxy S21 will also come without the TOF module like the Galaxy Note 20 lineup. Samsung decided to drop the TOF sensor on the Galaxy S21 because there are not enough use cases for this technology right now. Based the indirect TOF technology Samsung uses is less powerful than the direct TOF technology used by Apple. The latter is developed by the Sony, and Samsung could not get it since Apple has an exclusive deal with the Japanese tech giant. However, Samsung has not abandoned the concept yet, and the company system LSI business department is reportedly developing an image sensor that could improve in indirect TOF technology. But the Korean tech giant will consider using it in its smartphone after seeing how Apple implement the TOF technology in its future product, and it's the market response to it. The next news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21. A rumor says it's launched with the under-screen selfie camera. With the Galaxy S20 line out the way, Samsung flagship ambition are shifting focus on the next entire the Galaxy Note series. Despite this, it's never too early to start speculating on next year Samsung Galaxy S series, and thanks to the Note tipstar Ice Universe, who have our first rumor about the Galaxy S21, which tipped to come with the under-screen selfie camera. As you can see on your screen, this is the Ice Universe tweet. Samsung is considering using the under-screen camera technology of the upcoming Galaxy S21 first, and evaluating that the feasibility of the technology. Samsung usually debate major new camera development for the Galaxy S line, so it would make sense for the S21 to come bring in a coveted integrated camera. On the other hand, developing such a solution is still quite difficult, as there are several hurdles, including insufficient lighting reaching the sensor and resulting somber image quality. Another big problem is matching the pixel density for the area where the sensor is placed with the rest of the screen. Then again, Samsung is leading mobile display manufacturer, so if anyone has the resource to tackle the difficulty with implementation such as a solution, it's the South Korean manufacturer. Samsung has not shown a working version of an under display camera of its own, but we have seen tested Oppo prototype. Xiaomi also teased its own implement, and we have seen proof of the Huawei is also interested in bringing the development of to its future the device. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21, this is the latest update about the upcoming Galaxy S21 lineup. Let me know in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.